Alright guys, in the last video you saw us hit that spot, and then we ended the video by rolling out. So here's the second portion to the trail videos. I hope you guys enjoy these. The first one may have been a little short. I don't know how I edited it because, you know, it's the same day and I haven't gone back to the home yet to edit. So I'm going to try to do these videos in kind of like a 5-part series, 4-part series, depending on how long it is that we ride when we go out to ride. I feel like that'll be a little bit easier to get some content out to you guys, so you guys can sit back and enjoy a bunch of videos, or one at a time, however you want to do it. Woo, look at this mud hole we gotta go back through again. Woo! Just tractoring through it, just tractoring through it. Woo! Everybody's motors smell bad after that mud. So we're heading back up to the main trail system now. These are fun so far. I just got to get used to the very loose dirt. Coal really is what it is. But so welcome back, guys. In front of me right here you have Pauline. You guys know Pauline. She's on the LTZ today. Bike's really fun. Really good power out of that bike, which is shocking. I rode it in a couple videos back just for a little bit, but it was a lot of fun, that bike. Got Banshee in front of us. It's absolutely perfect weather today too, guys. It's like a solid 60 degrees, overcast, perfect cool breeze, so you hang out for a minute and you cool right off. It's great. I will say, after riding, I said in my first video too, but after riding just this little bit, I definitely want to get new tires now. These just cannot handle this situation at all. I guess technically I could have rode up there with them. Perks of being street legal. Woo! I don't even see them behind me. I'm gonna wait up a second and see if I can find where they're at. Oh, I see her. All right, cool. She's back there. Nice. The suspension is just so soft that even on those little bumps, like I said, guys, I'm only like 100 and maybe 60 pounds on this bike right now, including gear. And like I like bottom before I even take off, and then it just doesn't react right. Like I can't just be stiff enough to, like, yeah, see, like I can't get stiff enough in the front end to actually launch off that. It's kind of a pain. I'll wait for them here so they know where we're at. I'm actually going to put my phone back on this because I see the wires hanging and that ain't cool. Alright, everybody caught up. I got my phone remounted back up. Oh yeah, I see them up there. Woo! What, this? Yeah. No. Fuck yeah, no. I don't have any tires, man. You can't get traction here. There's no way. I'll make it to like that first white boulder.
I think this one's blown up.
I'll give it. Is it?
I know. I was gonna say, you're not more of a ball tire than you.
Yeah, but that still grips better than this thing. I don't think I'm confident enough to make it up that. Woo! Yeah, I don't know about that, guys. That's a little nuts. Woo! Hell yeah. All right, maybe she can do it. All right. Hell yeah, dude! I didn't think it would make it. I'm impressed.
This one's the easiest one.
Well, yeah, that's the easiest one, but hey, man, I gotta start somewhere.
Let's hop on one of these now.
I think I can make one of those now. I think, cause that didn't really bog down at all. It held it wide open.
Where are they gonna go? The other way? I told Dean, yeah. To me, it's at the top of it.
I'm shocked.
Dude, we got a film for you, my friend.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I mean, by the end of the day, let's be honest, this thing's rolling down a hill. 100%. What? I know. I'm just trying to follow their tracks now. Holy shit. Ooh, no traction. Oh. Oh, yep, you guys just witnessed me. Shit! Fucking knee, man. Whew. Oh. I have no fucking traction right here. Oh. That hurt. Whew. Oh yeah. It's recording 24/7, but wow. Whew. I'll be all right in a minute. Just damn. Whew. Knee went right into the engine case.
Fucking been there.
Yeah. It's just like getting pedal bite on a bicycle, you know what I mean? Yeah. Whoo! You just gotta.
I feel like last, what, 4 or 5 days ago?
Yeah.
I fucking ate it on this shoulder pile drive right into
Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah. It's got the tip sensor in it, so. Yeah, so when it falls over, you'll never, it cuts itself short, and then you got to turn the key off and then back on. Yeah. They're not bad, but whew.
Not heavy, right?
Yeah. Whew. So the knee is feeling great, guys. If you don't mind asking. Knee feels great. Knee went right into the engine case on that one there. Whoa. Not gonna lie, almost feels like this bar's a little bent. I don't think it is. I think it's in my head, but it definitely feels that way. Whew. Round 2 on this hill. Coming at you guys. And for what it's worth, quad lock didn't fall off. We're gonna try a tractor it this time. This is where I lost it last time. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we got it. Oh shit. I was afraid of Terry there. We made it that time, but whoo, that stuff will throw you, man. Woo! This stuff is no joke. You could be good as gold, and 2 seconds later, you hit one soft spot that really freaking throws you. Crazy. You definitely got to do that. You got to keep your tires spinning because you need to get as much traction as possible. Oh, see, he's having a hard time where I was too. Holy shit. Damn. Guys, I don't know if the GoPro picks this up, but wow. That is insane. Wow, that's a whole new level of hill climb. I'm really hoping Terrence up there doesn't flip that machine. Oh no, he's good. He's got it. Holy crap. Everybody's getting stuck.
So far.
That is crazy. That is...
I get right to the berm and it shoots me to the right.
That's what happened to me there, except it shot me to the right. I hit the left and just went right down. Knee went right into the engine case.
I'm so tired.
I know, me too already.
What are you doing?
He doesn't know. I got my fan on. This thing's like overheating.
Oh, it's humid out, that's why.
Yeah. That's why those nice long trails are nice, you know, get some cold air.
One more. I think I could do it.
What are you in, second? Full? Third?
Just became like...
Yeah.
Yeah. Hard as fuck, dude.
That's hard.
I thought so.
That's gonna be a hard one.
Yeah.
That's a little...
It goes up, it bends, and then it goes back up again.
You missed me fall. I ate shit bad.
Damn. You good?
Yeah, my knee's f***ed. My knee went right into that.
Damn.
Right into the engine case.
Wet again today.
I was watching you turn your bike around over there.
Yeah.
You missed me go down. Up that hill. Yeah. Yeah. It shot me right, went left, and just boom. But hey, clutch lever's still good. I'm gonna move out of their way. Guys, I'm looking like almost straight up. This is insane. You need like paddles for that. How's that doing? That's good.
Yeah, I went up the little hook one.
This one?
Yeah.
You went up that? Cool. The one I went up? Yeah, that's now I look at that as that's tiny compared to the other one we were just looking at. I came around that corner and I just lost all speed, just started.
It was really thick.
Yeah, and I just started spinning, and then I just couldn't. I tried to back off, and once you back off, you have no momentum, and it was just not a inexperience and no traction on those tires. Those tires just buried themselves. But it's all good. Go for it. I'll get a video of you.
Oh, I'm gonna take this off though. I can record like this.
Giving it.